This video aims to present reliable techniques for recovering lost or mistakenly deleted call history on iPhone or iPad, offering solutions both with and without the necessity of a computer. Part 1. Can you recover deleted call history on iPhone without computer? How? Firstly, ensure you have a recent iCloud backup that includes the call history data. Check by going to Settings, Your Name, Cloud, Manage Storage, Backups. You should find the latest backup. Go to Settings, General, Reset. Pick Erase all contents and settings, and confirm with your passcode. After the restart, choose Restore from iCloud Backup during setup. Sign into iCloud and select the backup with call history. Part 2. How to recover deleted call history on iPhone with computer. Option 1. Selectively retrieve deleted call logs from iTunes Backup. No data loss. Utilizing the services of Mobican Doctor for iOS, a reliable and professional tool for iOS data recovery, offers a viable solution. How can I retrieve deleted call history on a computer with Doctor for iOS? Step 1. Launch Doctor for iOS. Step 2. Scan iTunes backup files. Step 3. Recover deleted call history on iPhone from iTunes Backup. Option 2. Directly recover call history from iTunes Backup. Data loss. Launch iTunes, connect your iPhone, go to Summary, Restore Backup. Choose the desired backup and click Restore. Your call history will be recovered and visible on your device.